why narcissists keep certain exes in the picture. Okay, so you all will notice that they like to label these people as their friends. Okay, and many reasons why they do this, but I would say the number one reason is because these folks are what we call backup supply. Okay, this is why I say, you all, within the first 45 to 60 days, you should be investigating the person that you're getting to know. This is not the lovey-dovey phase, okay? This is your time to investigate. Because I've always said this, you all, the narcissist will in fact tell on themselves, right? They gonna slip up and say something, y'all. And if you are watching and looking, looking around, listening, you're not gonna miss it. So if and when you find out within that first 45 to 60 days that there are still people from their past that they have been in relationships with, and they still follow these folks on social media, they follow each other, they're Facebook friends, follow each other on TikTok, they still keep in contact, because that's their friend. Block the narcissist, you all. Block them. Because I'm telling you, they're not getting rid of these folks. These particular exes go with the narcissist throughout every relationship they're in. They're their fallback person. They were in the picture before you. They're going to be in the picture after you. And the narcissist is going to cheat on all of the people that they get with these folks. Right? These are the people that they're having pillow talk with. They talking about your relationship. They talking about you, what you not doing. You don't appreciate them. You don't do this for them. The narcissist is going telling this particular person all of y'all relationship business. And I'm going to tell you what is going to happen, because the narcissist is so calculating, right? Throughout the relationship, there's going to be levels of disrespect. They're going to put you through tests. What's going to eventually happen when you find out about this ex or exes and you don't walk away? They're eventually going to triangulate you with these folks. Mark my words. And so when the triangulation happens, you're going to have no other choice but to either get gone or get gone. Because if you stick around, it's going to get bad, you all. The narcissist is going to walk you like a dog. When you figure out, right? I've said this before, y'all, confronting these people, telling them this, that, and the other, these folks know that maintaining these relationships is wrong. They know this. And, and then the first thing they'll say, they'll try to, do some gaslighting on you. Well, I can't have friends. I can't. Y'all, anybody with any type of common sense knows that having relationships with exes, people that you have exchanged bodily fluids with, is inappropriate, y'all. Highly inappropriate. When you find out, you all, don't stick around. Because I'm telling you, if you do, it's going to get bad. Leave these folks with these people. I heard somebody say, leave them with their options. Leave these people with their options, y'all. Going down a laundry list, explaining why you do this, why are you doing this, why are you treating me like all, y'all, they don't care about any of that. And please don't cry. Because while you're sitting here crying, the narcissist is going to still continue to do what they're doing behind your back with these fools. All right? I'm going to say this in closing. Think about this. The narcissist is so a low-level individual, right? And even the trash, these exes are trash. Think about it, you guys. Take a moment and just think about this logically. These people have to revert and go back to exes. They can't find nobody else. It's how many people on this planet? They have to go back to an ex. What does that say about these folks, y'all? Number one, it says they're nasty. The narc has gone on about their business. They've been in other relationships. This backup ex has been in other relationships, and they've come back, and yep, that's nasty. You don't want anybody like that. That is a very low vibrational individual, because nobody that's firing on all four cylinders is even thinking about an ex. They've gone on about their business. The ex is in the past, literally. They not friending them. They not Instagram friends with them. They not none of that, y'all. It's done with. These people don't have good sense. When you see it, walk away and leave these folks to their options.